Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainments. And if you don't know, I get happy when I get a box because there's always something special in that box. So I'm going to open up the box, and if you don't know, I like to use my knife when I open up the box. So let's see what's inside. Bye-bye knife. This looks like a knife sharpener. Okay. That's everything in the box. Don't need the box. Okay. Let's see what's inside this one first. It is a knife holder. I'm going to do it up close so you can see how it looks up close. Oh. But this holds the knives. Instead of the wooden block holders that everybody's used to, these are the newest ones that you'll be able to see the knife, and it takes up less room, and it's still a cool way to display your knives. So this is the knife holder here. Don't need the box. And this right here is the sharpener, knife sharpener. And most knife holders do not come with knife sharpeners. Now I do have a knife sharpener, but this one is pretty handy. It's got grips at the bottom, and I'll show you up close. And this has things at the bottom. And now let's look at the knives. I'm unwrapping the knives, and look, there's got a little tip on it. It's very sharp. This is the color of the knives as well. The color of the knives is blue. And these are the tips. But this is very, very sharp. So, I think they just go in this way. This blue 7-piece kitchen knife includes a 8-inch chef knife, a 5-inch utility knife, a 8-inch carving knife, a 3.5 paring knife, and a 8-inch bread knife, as well as the sharpener. These knives cannot be soaked in water. They must be washed and dried right away. They resist to scratches, and they're flexible and durable. And they so pretty. They so pretty. AIM stainless steel. Has 4 little grips on the bottom to stop it from sliding and tilting over. The knife sharpener also have grips on the bottom to stop it from sliding. And it's a perfect match next to the knife set. Oh, look, 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 look. This 7-piece knife set also comes in a 16-piece, which includes a scissors and double the knives, and I think even a peeler. It comes in color blue, orange, and green. So, if you're interested in this knife set, look at my description below this video and hit me up in the comments. Have anyone ever seen this type? Slap that subscribe button.